Assalamu alaikum sir, Imran reporting from the Fazil Chest project. Today is 25th December 2025. At our site, you can see 6 workers are actively engaged in work today. As you can see, the beam reinforcement has been properly placed inside the specific wooden formwork, and this part of the work is already completed. The only remaining work is the tying of the reinforcement mesh, which is expected to be finished by tomorrow, sir. In addition, all required reinforcement bars and casting stone chips are ready. Last night, sir, 3 truckloads of stone chips arrived at the site. As you can see, sir, our workers are giving their full efforts to this task. That's all for today's update, sir. Wishing you good health. Assalamu alaikum.